Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once you stop looking for what you want, you find what you need. Something tells me I am going to love him forever. I swear when our lips touch, I can taste the next 60 years of my life. Never miss out on a good woman that could make your life great just because she is little difficult. The good ones are never easy, but worth it. I won't leave. I promise that I will stay with you forever. The moment I met him, I knew I was looking at my future. On this day, my hand is yours to hold and my heart forever for you to keep. Sometimes the greatest relationships are the ones you never accepted to be in, the ones that sweep you off your feet and challenge every view you have ever had. Walking with your hand in mine and mine in yours, that's exactly where I want to be forever. It's all about finding an honest lover, a pure, selfless lover, a lover who looks at your heart and admires what it has been through, understands why it is the way it is and loves it anyway. I want someone to look at me and think she's my happy ending. It's confusing word out there, but it all makes sense when I am in your arms. You are not only loved, you are loved. I can't picture life with anyone other than you. If you find someone you love in your life, then hang on to that love. All I see him and me forever and ever. Make her your everything in front of everyone every time. Find a heart that will love you at your worst and arms that will hold you at your weakest. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watch my video.